Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm super excited to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. And this is in blue titanium, 1 terabyte. So package looks pretty similar to last year's. Let's do this. Hope you are all doing well. No, I haven't been unboxing lately, but I got a lot of videos coming up for you guys. All right, wow. Blue titanium is legit. Look at this. Very nice. Looks a little different under different lighting. All right. Cool, all right, set this aside for a quick second. Show you all the new, finally, very excited for this, USB-C to USB-C. So let's take this out. Wow, it's very nice. Very nice quality USB-C cable. So it's woven, it's not plastic, it's woven, braided. So looks like it's 1 meter, very nice. Apple switching over. All right, then we got designed by Apple in California. Let's see, did they hook it up with some stickers this time again? All right, yes, let's go. All right, so they got the stickers. The moment we've all been waiting for. Well, let me show you the paper first. So you got USB-C here. Very cool. Then you got power button here, volume button down, volume button up, and the new action button. That's really cool. Feels good, feels good. All right, here we go. Wow. iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium. Wow. The new camera. New cameras look good in reviews I've been watching. Got the new 5x telephoto right over here. Really excited to use that one with the Tetra Prism. Crazy how they got all that tech into here. Cool. No, it feels really light, super light. I mean, that's the first thing I noticed. It's a 15 Pro Max and I have a 14 Pro right here, and this feels lighter. The 15 Pro Max feels lighter than the 14 Pro I have in my right hand. So titanium, really a lot lighter than stainless steel. Feels really good, it's really noticeable. So let's power this on. Wow. Again, 14 Pro on my right hand. Wow. Cool, let me know in the comments section what you guys think of this phone. Excited to check out the other colors too. I think I made a right choice with the blue titanium. Looks really, really sleek. I'm liking this color. Cool, hope you're all doing well, everyone. Again, let me know what you think of this phone in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys all next time. See you in the next random unboxing video. Later.